Welcome to Innovative Kids Educational Channel.
Vegetables.
Vegetables. Carrot.
Carrot.
Carrots are orange and crunchy.
Carrots are orange and crunchy.
Potato.
Potato.
Potatoes are used to make fries.
Potatoes are used to make fries.
Tomato.
Tomato.
Tomatoes are red and juicy.
Tomatoes are red and juicy.
Onion.
Onion.
Onions make me cry when I cut them.
Onions make me cry when I cut them.
Cabbage.
Cabbage.
Cabbage has big green leaves.
Cabbage has big green leaves.
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower is white and round.
Cauliflower is white and round.
Broccoli.
Broccoli.
Broccoli looks like a green tree.
Broccoli looks like a green tree.
Spinach.
Spinach.
Spinach is full of iron.
Spinach is full of iron.
Lettuce.
Lettuce.
Lettuce is used in salads.
Lettuce is used in salads.
Peas.
Peas.
Peas are small and green.
Peas are small and green.
Cucumber.
Cucumber.
Cucumbers are cool and fresh.
Cucumbers are cool and fresh.
Eggplant.
Eggplant.
Eggplants are purple and shiny.
Eggplants are purple and shiny.
Radish.
Radish.
Radishes are red and spicy.
Radishes are red and spicy.
Garlic.
Garlic.
Garlic adds flavor to food.
Garlic adds flavor to food.
Ginger.
Ginger.
Ginger is used in tea and cooking.
Ginger is used in tea and cooking.
Bell pepper.
Bell pepper.
Bell peppers come in many colors.
Bell peppers come in many colors.
Chili.
Chili.
Chilies are hot and spicy.
Chilies are hot and spicy.
Turnip.
Turnip.
Turnips are white and round.
Turnips are white and round.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkins are big and orange.
Pumpkins are big and orange.
Fruits.
Fruits. apple.
Apple.
I eat an apple every morning.
I eat an apple every morning.
Banana.
Banana.
The monkey likes bananas.
The monkey likes bananas.
Orange.
Orange.
Orange juice is tasty.
Orange juice is tasty.
Mango.
Mango.
Mango is my favorite fruit.
Mango is my favorite fruit.
Grapes.
Grapes.
Grapes grow in bunches.
Grapes grow in bunches.
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Watermelon is sweet and juicy.
Watermelon is sweet and juicy.
Papaya.
Papaya.
Papaya is good for digestion.
Papaya is good for digestion.
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Pineapple has a spiky skin.
Pineapple has a spiky skin.
Guava.
Guava.
Guava has small seeds inside.
Guava has small seeds inside.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
I love strawberry ice cream.
I love strawberry ice cream.
Blueberry.
Blueberry.
Blueberries are small and blue.
Blueberries are small and blue.
Grains.
Grains.
Rice.
Rice.
I eat rice every day.
I eat rice every day.
Wheat.
Wheat.
Bread is made from wheat.
Bread is made from wheat.
Corn.
Corn.
Corn is yellow and sweet.
Corn is yellow and sweet.
Oats.
Oats.
I like oats in my breakfast.
I like oats in my breakfast.
Barley.
Barley.
Barley soup is healthy.
Barley soup is healthy.
Millet.
Millet.
Millet is a small round grain.
Millet is a small, round grain.
Rye.
Rye.
Rye bread is dark and tasty.
Rye bread is dark and tasty.
Quinoa.
Quinoa.
Quinoa is a healthy grain.
Quinoa is a healthy grain.
Buckwheat.
Buckwheat.
Buckwheat pancakes are yummy.
Buckwheat pancakes are yummy.
Sorghum.
Sorghum.
Sorghum is used in porridge.
Sorghum is used in porridge.
Maize.
Maize.
Maize is another name for corn.
Maize is another name for corn.
Spelt.
Spelt.
Spelt is an ancient grain.
Spelt is an ancient grain.
Amaranth.
Amaranth.
Amaranth is good for health.
Amaranth is good for health. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.